This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, my name is Eric Hine, and with me today is John Peck, Managing Partner with Legacy Lawyers. How are you doing today, John?
Doing great.
Great to have you here.
Glad to be here.
John, tell us a little bit about the areas of law that Legacy Lawyers.
Basically, we practice in the areas and concentrate in the areas of estate planning, elder law, and asset protection. Basically, the estate planning involves trust and wills and things that go along with it. The traditional estate planning has always been, we're worried about what happens when you die. But now it's not only what happens when you die, what happens if you don't die, if you had a long-term illness. And that's the piece that the elder law gets involved in. We get involved in protecting people's assets from the nursing home and getting them so they don't spend all their assets down, so their assets are protected for a loved one still living at home and they're able to pass things on to future generations.
Okay, so if we're thinking about the elder law portion of it, how early on should people go into planning and contacting you to learn more about that and how to get started?
Well, obviously, there's been a tremendous change in the laws, and there's a lot stricter look-back period than there used to be. So obviously, it makes sense planning well in advance. Most of our clients, unfortunately, come to us in a crisis situation, and most people don't know, but we can protect all the assets and get a person qualified for Medicaid and not have to spend the money for the nursing home almost immediately. Right. If it's a husband-wife situation, one of them had to go to nursing, we can protect everything and get them qualified immediately. Even a single person, a widow, still in most cases, we can protect most everything. So most people don't realize that the things can be done.
I kind of think about it because I talk to a lot of bankruptcy attorneys as well, and they always say people come to them when it's too late. The objective is to obviously talk to you long before you get to that stage.
Right. It makes a lot more sense to plan well in advance of the crisis.
Fantastic. John, thank you so much for your time. You can learn more by visiting the website. Go to LegacyLawyersNC.com.
This has been a WECT Business Break.